we bought a, I don't know what you call it. It's not a go-kart.
Where's that box?
I put it in here.
It's basically a ride-on shop tool.
Right, yeah. And it came with some parts.
Okay, right here. Power shop stool.
And we're gonna have some fun with this thing.
See if we can roll it.
Yeah.
Come on,
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Oh. See if we can. Actually, I'm gonna get away.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I figured it would roll easier. It's actually pretty good.
I'm definitely gonna die on this thing.
Don't go through the fence. See if you can go against the post and just sit there and spin the tires.
Ruin the tires right away.
Yeah. It's got some power.
Yeah, it does. This thing here is crazy.
Pop a wheelie. Here, I want to pop a wheelie.
Yeah. Just let all the time.
Here, I can do a better one.
Oh yeah.
The wheelie bars should be up further.
I know.
Because you go right back down.
Yep.
There you go. Then you should have gassed it.
Right.
I know.
We want to take this down, move the frame out about here, and put a seat in front of here. Take this thing off, because this thing, every time you turn, you just go with it. You can't hold on. And the steering wheel is going to be different too. It's going to come on an angle instead of straight up and down. So yeah, we got a little bit of work to do. Here's your chair, Chupapi.
Chupapi muñeño, chupapi muñeño.
We are ready to put the front wheels back on.
And I would die on something I like. Dude, this is sexy.
I gotta cut this off and bring the steering wheel further down.
Somehow it needs to be tighter.
Holy crap.
Why? How did it become so loose?
Looks like we can already
Why does that one run off?
Alright, we're almost ready to go see how this thing drives. Let's go drive it. Alrighty. We'll probably bring the floorboard up to about there somewhere, and then back to these, just in front of these. Look, measure this up, cut it out. I'm gonna weld this floorboard through what? I'm gonna tack the bottom for now. That thing is solid. I don't even think I wear that. Yeah. Very easy. I barely tack. Yeah! Oh, that shit kinda hurt. No, I got shot like a son of a gun. It went. Daniel, you want to get some spot? Homemade pizza. Yeah. Hard hot. Come on, honey. That's definitely what I was watching. This thing has a mind of its own. Yep. Shit but like all the that thing actually got a little burnout. It went yeah, and I'm holding on to it and it's going like this. Oh, look at this. This would have had to brace it. What's the deal? We almost went boom. Oh, scared the shit out of me.
chain ran off.
It's junk.
Why?
Rope.
Oh.
And then the first thing we do is break that thing right off there. So now, oh man, I did not hope it would do that. We're gonna cut the muffler off of this thing today. I'll let Ivan cut it. Ivan can cut it. And loose.
One out.
Yeah. And then, guys, we went camping that evening.
Pretty fun, ain't it? Yeah.